Solar. Hello everyone. I am speaking for Center for Ecological Audit, Social Inclusion and Governance, a program under Seva Sufi Trust in Developing Foundation and other organizations. So I have been calling for audit of solar panels. So in this sector 108, I find only one home has a solar panel, and here you can see this one through zoom. This is only one. This one, of course, I have surveyed homes in this sector 108. Some buildings are being constructed, but then I don't think there is any plan for installing solar audit. There are buildings under construction on this side, which is known as ATS. So what can be done, what should be done in order to make NOIDA renewable energy secure in the future? I am also calling for making Delhi renewable energy secure, but at the pace of installation of solar panels, it looks like one of the important means of making cities renewable energy secure is not being attended actively, or it's not being chosen actively by builders and also homeowners. So what can be done? So please have a look around and conduct solar audits in order to inform. Beautiful flowers are there. So there are beautiful flowers here. This is the month of March month, and the most distinct is this tree which has red flowers. I don't know whether you can see because my camera is not, looks like my camera is not that good. Anyway, I wanted to give you a glimpse of both the flowers in the Central Park of Sector 108 and also the count of solar panels in this area. So which remains one and only one here.